Hello everyone, on this video we are going to see the difference between stateless and stateful widget, look at an example and figure out when to use one and when to use the other one. So let's jump in. To understand this, we need to understand what is state. So state basically is the information used by the app. For example, some number you have on screen, some text, something like that. And on a stateless widget, you cannot change that information after creation. And the fields must be final. Examples are an icon button, or a text. On a stateful widget, you can change the state after the creation, and you have the method setState to change it. For example, a slider or a checkbox. So let's see some example in code. Okay, so let's change this. So here I have an application that is based on the starter project in Flutter. So it's only a widget, a text widget with a number of clicks. But right now it's as stateless. So the field is final and we cannot change. If we click, we don't have a set state to change this value. This is an example of a stateless widget. To change this, we need to change the widget to stateful. Either this one or create here the stateful and put this field inside the stateful. But to keep it simple, let's change this one. So go here and convert to stateful widget, and because we changed the stateless to a stateful, we need to press run again. So no change here, but now we can use the setState method. So let's create here another widget and to add the tab. So on tab, here because it's a stateful widget, we can use the setState. Okay, like this, and inside it gets a callback. Here we can change the number of clicks, so number of clicks plus like this. And it gives an error because it's final and we don't need this as final. Okay, so let's run again and you can see it changes. You may ask, why not use always a stateful widget and never a stateless widget? The thing is, the stateful widget are more heavy than the stateless widget. So you should only use the stateful widget when you need to. So my suggestion is start with a stateless widget so you have a better performance, and only if you need to change to a stateful widget. This topic can get a little bit more complicated, but as an overview, I think this is the basics. So if you like the content, don't forget to subscribe, press the like button, and see you in the next video.